Today I'm going to show you 2 new recipes that uses 5 eggs, a couple tablespoons of peanut butter, and spinach. So with these 3 ingredients, we're going to whip up 2 very new and very delicious recipes. So let's go. To our Vitamix blender, I am adding in 2 eggs, saving the shells for composting. And a large handful of spinach, probably about a cup of spinach. What we're gonna do is blend this up and make it nice and creamy. Warm up your skillet and put some cooking spray in the bottom because you don't want this to stick. Once it is warm, you want to slowly pour your batter in to the warmed up pan. And if you guys guessed it, we are making a wrap. This is great for in the summer months whenever your chickens are consistently laying and you have a lot of spinach greens in your garden and everything needs to be used up. This is a great way to use that. You want to let this cook for several minutes on this side before we flip it, and it's going to be like a pancake. You're going to see little bubbles start to form at the top, but don't touch it until it actually sets or you're going to have a mess. And you can see it slides around really easy. You don't want it to stick. And then we want to cook it on the other side for just a couple of minutes as well to make sure that that egg is thoroughly cooked. Once it is finished cooking, we're going to slide this out on a plate and let it cool off. And look at that. That is, you guys, that's a wrap. Look. And it folds. It's very pliable. And then you can fill this up with whatever toppings you want. You could make it ham and cheese, or you could put lots of vegetables in it. But today I have chickpea salad that I had made up, so that's what we're going to fill this one with. The second recipe we're gonna make is a waffle. We're gonna use the same blender and just crack 3 eggs into your blender. Again, composting the shells. To your eggs, you wanna add in 4 big tablespoons of a creamy peanut butter. These are the only 2 ingredients that go into your blender, and then go ahead and mix them up. We're gonna be using one of the miniature waffle makers, and I got this one at Target for like $10 a long time ago. But get it warmed up and then take some cooking spray and go ahead and spray both sides of the waffle iron. And then using a spoon, go ahead and put your batter into the waffle maker. Now don't overfill these or it will come gushing out the sides. And then these just take a couple minutes to cook. You would never know by looking at it that that is peanut butter and egg. But there you have the perfect waffle. If I would have mixed this by hand instead of using the blender, it would have made 4 complete waffles. But you guys, that's another great way to use your eggs and pair this up, put a little maple syrup over these, cut up some bananas, and you have yourself an excellent breakfast.